Writing skills paper, how to write an essay. So while you are writing an essay, you have to be very particular about the structure of the essay. The structure of the essay should have a proper introduction, and in the introduction you have to talk about what are the points that you are going to develop in the essay. So whatever is going to come next in your essay should already be there clear in your introduction. Make your introduction a bit catchy so that a person who reads the introduction itself is interested in reading the essay. The next part is the body. It's very important part. Organize it well. Keep it in 2 to 3 paragraphs. Or if it's a long essay, you can also write 4 or 5 paragraphs. And in this body, you will develop your thought. And you will give various points about the topic that you are talking about. In the conclusion, you will come to a conclusion, you will make a statement that what do you feel about the topic, and you will conclude on that. So a proper introduction and a proper conclusion gives a proper outline to your essay, and it gives a proper beginning and a proper end to your essay, and it makes your essay look good. So that's very important, a proper introduction and a proper conclusion. Now how do you, what you are writing about is also very important. So when you are writing an essay, the topic on which you are writing the essay is also very important. Always choose a topic that is very close to your heart, because you can only write well about things that you feel, and always be true to your own emotions. So when you are writing, just don't try to copy anyone else. Don't try to copy anyone else's style, but write in your own style what you actually feel about the topic that you are writing about. Choose a topic about which you have sufficient data and information. If you are writing on a topic, you should know about the topic, that what you are going to write, because you cannot beat about the bush when you are writing an essay. If you don't have sufficient information on the topic, collect information on the topic, read about the topic, read what others have said about the given topic, and build your vocabulary around that topic. I have already talked about building a word bank when I have given another video on how to develop a word bank. So first, develop a good vocabulary around the topic that you are going to write, because sometimes when you are writing, you have dearth of words. You know it, you know how to what you have to talk about, but you don't have sufficient vocabulary to express. So first, develop your vocabulary around the topic that you are going to write. Do some research. If you are writing upon a topic, do some research, read some books, articles, magazines, journals on that given topic. Watch documentaries and movies. If you have a topic around World War, you can also watch documentaries and movies related to the area. And you should plan your essay well. So when you are writing something, everything should be coherent. Every next paragraph should have something related to the preceding paragraph. It should move sequentially, in a sequence and in coherence. Organize the content. There should be coherence in every paragraph. Write a well-balanced essay. Make it interesting. If you are writing something that turns very boring, nobody will be interested in reading your essay. So when you are writing your essay, make it witty, add some humor, use proverbs, use quotes and popular sayings. So that will, and you can use it in the introduction and in the conclusion, because that is the highlighting part of your essay. And if you have done it, your essay is ready and you have written a good essay. Thank you.